Telkom wants to roll out free Wi-Fi in South Africa, but there's a catch. So here's what's happening. Telkom has asked ICASA to change its license conditions. Right now, Telkom is still legally required to provide things like public payphones and directory services. So yes, payphones in 2026, it doesn't even make any sense. Instead of sticking to those outdated rules, Telkom wants to replace them with something more relevant, free Wi-Fi hotspots at Tusong service centers. Now if you don't know what that is, Tusong centers are government community centers where people go to access services and information. So the problem is many of them don't even have proper internet. So ICASA is considering allowing Telkom to connect 171 of these centers across South Africa. So here's what that would mean. So it would mean free Wi-Fi, minimum speeds of 30 megabytes per second, uncapped connectivity, but there's a fair usage policy. 300 megabytes per day, 2 gigabytes per month per user. So Telkom would need to install routers, cabling, firewalls, fix problems within 5 days, report progress twice a year, connect all 171 centers by October 2028. And if they don't comply, they could face fines between 500,000 and 1 million rand. Right now, it's still under regulatory review, so nothing is final yet. So do you think replacing payphones with free Wi-Fi is a smart move, or should Telkom be doing more? Would 300 megabyte a day even be enough? Let me know in the comments.